you're like most Americans, you have no idea when you need to enroll into Medicare. And that's because it is so confusing. The majority of people will enroll and need to enroll at age 65. And you might have heard of that. If you are self-employed, if you're not employed, if you have health insurance through a small company, and the federal threshold here is 20 total employees, not on the health plan, just total employees at that company. If you're a small company, then you need to enroll in Medicare at 65. We recommend you sign up as early as possible, which is 3 months before the month that you turn 65, because it takes a little while to get the government rolling here and get everything ready so that the first day of the month that you turn 65, you'll have your Medicare in force and you'll have your other insurance, your supplement insurance, your drug insurance, whatever else that you buy. If you're working for a large company, and I said the threshold here was 20 or more total employees, you don't have to sign up for Medicare. You might want to because it might be better, it might have a much lower deductible, lower copays, better network than your work plan. A lot of people, they don't do that comparison. They assume if they're going to keep working and they're allowed to keep their insurance, that it's probably great insurance. And in the olden days, like 20 years ago, that was always true. Now, maybe 50-50, 50%, it's better to stay on your work plan. And the other people, probably better to go on Medicare. So you have to do that comparison. That's something our team here at the Medicare Family can help you with. If you can set your own free appointment on our website, we need your, what do you pay each month just for you, not for your wife or your kids? What do you pay for you, the employee? What is your deductible? What is your copay to see a doctor? Are there any extras? Like it has great dental, vision, hearing, something extra. A lot of them don't have anything. If you know that, then we can tell you how much Medicare Part B and a Medicare supplement or a Medicare Advantage and a drug plan, and we can help you make that comparison. Like I said, about half the time people go, wow, I'm going to Medicare. And the other half the time people go, wow, I didn't realize my insurance was that good. So depending on your insurance, 65 or older, if you're still working, you don't have to sign up for Medicare. You might just delay it as long as you want. The rights that you would have had back here at 65, the right to enroll in any plan with any company in the country, regardless of your health, meaning they're not going to charge you more or not take you because of your pre-existing conditions. Those rights that you had at 65, they're preserved to whenever you do sign up for Medicare. So maybe you enroll in Medicare at 70 or 75. Whenever you do, you will have those same rights. You have no late penalty because you were working or you were on your spouse's insurance. And like I said, it met that threshold, 20 or more employees. Now, there's a major exception here with Cobra. So I was working for a company with 1,000 employees and I quit and I got Cobra. And I was like, yeah, this is great. I can be on Cobra for 18 months longer in certain states. So I was on Cobra. That's typically a mistake because if you're over 65, you had to take Medicare. And if you waited too long, you get into a Medicare late penalty situation. So if you are planning to work past 65, call us. Book a free appointment. Our consultations are free. We're licensed in all 50 states. Just bounce it off of us before you make the Cobra mistake, and we'll go into more detail with you to help you avoid that. The Medicare late penalties, they're talked about a lot, and it's like, they're overhyped. Like, oh, this big bad penalty. It is. It's not overhyped. It's very expensive. There's A, B, D. There's late penalties, and they're all calculated differently, and it's a nightmare. And in most cases, if you mess up and you get a late penalty, you will pay that penalty every month for the rest of your life. It doesn't go away. And sadly enough, I probably get at least 5 people a year. They're generally adults that are trying to help their parents, and they can't figure out why their parents never signed up for Medicare. And so they want us to help get their parents in the system because their parents are now older and needing help. And can we get them Medicare? Sure. They were getting hit with these penalties, and the penalties are so high, their parents can't afford it. So I don't want anybody out there to be in that situation. Our advice is free. Our website is free. It's open. My Medicare workshop's on our website. You don't have to register for it. Give us a phone number. We're not going to call you. There's no risk to get free information from us so that you don't make these mistakes. Because the bottom line is, when you need to sign up for Medicare is very much dependent on your unique situation. Are you on disability? under 65, right? There's so many different situations, and that's what we do. We've been helping families just like yours with Medicare for over 45 years. 3 generations of my family. We love helping people with Medicare. If you have a question, please go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, book a free consultation, and we'll help you sort this out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.